TalkTalk YouView boxes are experiencing widespread recording issues that frustrate users across the UK. Understanding these problems is the first step toward resolving them. Both the standard TV box and the TV Plus box with recording capabilities are affected by these issues. The problems are not limited to older hardware, but affect boxes across all generations. The most frequently reported issues include recording failed messages, where programs simply don't record at all. Users also experience partial recordings that stop midway through shows, and series link failures, where subsequent episodes aren't automatically scheduled. These recording failures stem from 5 main root causes. Software glitches in the firmware can disrupt the recording scheduler. Hard drive issues, including failing storage or fragmentation, prevent proper data writing. Signal problems from poor aerial connections cause recording interruptions. Memory conflicts during peak usage overwhelm system resources. Finally, EPG data inconsistencies corrupt the program scheduling information. Hard drive failures are particularly problematic for recording functionality. They fall into 2 categories: logical failures affecting the file system and data structure, and physical failures damaging the hardware components themselves. The YouView interface itself reveals where these problems manifest. Users see their carefully planned series recordings fail to appear in the schedule, and completed recordings mysteriously disappear from their planner without explanation. As of 2025, these issues affect a significant portion of TalkTalk YouView users. Recording success rates hover around 85 to 90% for functioning boxes, but series links perform worse at only 75% reliability. Problems peak during evening viewing hours, and older boxes show dramatically higher failure rates. Understanding these problems and their underlying causes is essential before attempting any fixes. In the next section, we'll explore the step-by-step solutions to resolve these recording issues. When a single recording fails on your TalkTalk YouView box, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. Next, check your available storage space. Delete old recordings to free up room for new ones. Finally, verify your signal strength by ensuring all cable connections are secure and properly connected. For series recording problems, you need different troubleshooting approaches. Start by canceling and recreating the series link. Check the electronic program guide data to ensure program information is displaying correctly and schedules are accurate. For persistent recording problems, advanced solutions may be necessary. A factory reset should only be used as a last resort. Regular maintenance helps prevent recording problems. Restart your box weekly and keep at least 10% of storage space free. Contact TalkTalk support when you experience multiple consecutive recording failures, hard drive error messages, or complete loss of recording functionality.